Reduces frizz instantly for 24 hours. Protects against humidity. 2x shinier curls. A patented ingredient that restores softness, smoothness and strength. Detangles hair. Ingredients. AQUA, water, CETEARYL alcohol, BEHENTRIMONIUM chloride, glycerin, AMODIMETHICONE, CETYL esters, potato starch modified, isopropyl alcohol, SHOREA ROBUSTA seed butter, PHENOXYETHANOL, BENZYL salicylate, TRIDECETH6LINALOOL, BENZYL alcohol, CANDELILLA CERA, CANDELILLA wax, CERA de CANDELILLA, CHLORHEXIDINE DIGLUCONATE, cetrimonium chloride, mel extract, honey extract 2-oleamide-01, 3-octadecanediol, sodium hydroxide, PENTAERYTHRITYL TETRA-DI-T-BUTYL HYDROXYHYDROCINNAMATE, citric acid, parfum, fragrance. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect product for hedgehogs. I already knew the product and I liked it, so I confirm my liking. It is worth noting the need to purchase the dispenser for home use, since the cream is very thick and comes out of the spout badly.